Yo, what's good YouTube? It's okay, Wasabi from S01E04, the hoodest skinny niggas that multiply with the class so close to the ground. So we all to the sky. And I'm not alone. I'm actually with
Sasha, aka Sushi from Yovo, Africa Unites.
the most beautifulest women in the world. And you're watching another episode of Cooking Sushi
With Wasabi.
And today we've got an amazing challenge. It's in what you say energy because there's not too much.
Yeah, it is actually.
No, but let me continue on this energy. Anyway, we've got an amazing challenge for you guys tonight. So, tonight.
Yeah, just
some people could be watching it tonight. We've got an amazing challenge for you guys tonight where we'll be challenging each other to make the best burger.
Why the visual?
That's how people present cooking shows.
Okay.
The best burger.
You don't watch enough cooking shows.
I do actually.
Because I watch cooking shows and they're not like
but
that.
because we don't want it to be biased, we've got a special judge
I
who judge the
feel like
burgers.
it's biased.
No, it's not
because
biased.
can we just
It's a lot
bring
of things.
the charge here?
It's a lot of things, ne? Into the buyer, but it's not biased. Like the buyer.
If your judge is not loving you, then it's not fire.
You know what? Tough time never lasts. Only tough people last. Anyway, we've got an amazing judge who came over to judge our burgers today. Because you guys have been asking, hey, where's this guy? Where's this guy in the comments? So
and
we
we
brought
have him
him.
here.
Mr. Judge, can you please show yourself just for 2 minutes?
What are you expecting him to come?
Hey, what's up? It's Tally Danger, the most dangerous man in the world. I'm the judge today. Go and get a judge at the burger.
Okay. Anyway, Talitano, what makes the best burger? What makes a good burger?
It's all about ingredients, you know? And the patty must
Yeah.
be number one.
Yes.
Quality.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not the frozen ones, obviously.
Yeah.
And then it's about how you. It's not about just about. It's the burger. It's like an order.
Yeah.
So it's not about the ingredients only.
Yeah,
it's about how you mix
put it
them
together.
together.
Yes.
Yeah, no.
So
What's your favorite restaurant burger? Rocco Mama's.
Yeah, definitely
Rocco Mama's. I know.
Yeah, Rocco Mama's.
Yeah. And I make a pretty close burger to Rocco Mama's.
Oh really?
Yeah. What's
We'll
your
see about that.
favorite restaurant burger?
What is it? Is it BRG or BGR?
BGR, yeah.
Yes, BGR. Sorry. Sorry.
I'm kidding. Anyway, guys. So today's competition. Sasha's gonna make her own burger. I'm gonna make my own burger, but Dali can only choose one. So the name of today's episode is Burger Mina Ngedwa.
Beggars can be choosers.
Now I already used that title on Bush's channel. So Burger Mina Ngedwa is fire, right, guys?
Okay.
It's fire.
We're gonna have to blindfold Dali.
Yeah, we're gonna blindfold Dali and we're gonna mix the plates.
Yeah.
And Dali has to eat the burger one, burger two, and then choose which burger is better. Burger Mina Ngedwa. Do you guys get it? Like,
Oh, yeah.
Burger Mina Ngedwa. So like.
Yes, we got it.
Okay. Okay guys, so you've met our judge. You know what the episode entails today, how we are going to proceed with this episode. We went to the supermarket and we bought a couple of ingredients for each other. Well, for ourselves, really. Sasha bought her own ingredients, I bought my own.
Basically a mixture, yeah.
Now she wants to use mine. I don't understand why.
Because I forgot some things and you have it, so we can't waste.
Nah, because you had a list and I had a list.
I didn't have a list. Like
You
I
had
was
a
just
list.
thinking
No,
about
you had a
the
list.
things
I had a list, and in your list, being a pork, but in my list, bacon.
Okay.
I used that one on 9:15.
Oh no.
Do you guys get it? So on her list, being a pork, but on my list, bacon. I know it's fine, isn't it, Daddy?
Well, I'm making my patty from scratch, not like other cheaters.
I got the pre-made patties, you know, because you know there's other things you need to spend time on when you're making a burger, and making it like no one's gonna congratulate you for making your own patty.
Okay.
No one's gonna patty you on the back.
Okay. Wow, Daddy. I'm not expecting you to laugh.
No one's gonna patty you on the back. Okay, so yeah, the first thing you wanna do is season your patty.
Please don't look at my side.
I'm not gonna look at your side.
Okay.
Oh, you too use the pepper on your patties. Yeah, I do that too. Yeah, just season. I'm gonna season 2 patties. You know.
So how many are you gonna make?
I'm gonna make 2 burgers. Okay. You know, I'm gonna season my patties. Put a bit of pepper, not too much. You know, not too much, just so that it encapsulates the flavor.
Okay, I just put my spices and I'm just like thinning them in.
Okay.
So you see, I put the garlic and herb, steak and chops.
Yeah.
And then I put some pepper.
Okay. Now that garlic, I don't want garlic on my stuff.
Oof, boy, then you don't know life. I put little.
Okay, my secret ingredient formula is just to put just a bit of aromat.
Oh.
Yeah, just little sprinkles on aromat.
Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to crush my garlic and I'm gonna fry my garlic first so that I can have the taste of garlic. Then I'm gonna fry my patty. So I don't know who's gonna start frying first.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna still crush my garlic, so I think you can.
Okay, you can fry
start,
first. Yeah.
So right now I'm making meatballs. Then I'm gonna smash them into burger patties.
Now, what are you doing? You put in the flour.
Yeah, I'm putting the flour.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna smash it a little bit.
Yeah. Why would you make your own patties and not buy?
Because you can spice it up. You have all, like, it can be nice and fat. It doesn't need to be skinny like yours. It looks like an actual burger.
Okay, as you guys can see right now, man, the oil has now started to burn a bit, you know.
Why
Not
do you
burn.
have so much oil?
It's olive oil because it's good for you. It's not like normal sunflower oil. So it also helps that the burger does not stick to the pan, you know. You know, flip the burger like that. And as you come see. That's what you want, you know. It shouldn't burn. It shouldn't burn at all.
Okay, don't do that. When you flip a burger, it won't burn you. You can just like flip it.
That's how you do it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Because if you do that, you know it's hot. The oil is hot.
That's the point of a stove, Sasha.
Oh. So guys, now I'm crushing my garlic. I put a little bit of George's aromat.
Aha!
And a little bit of salt. So now I'm just gonna crush it. So what's going on is I already crushed my onions. The other guy is taking too long. Like, we're trying to win this competition, but like he's just taking too much time, and it seems like his patty's burned. So I'm doing great.
What you want for your patty is it to be a succulent brown. You know, it must be brown all over the place. You know, that's how you know it's cooked. You know, the spices have now been absorbed by the patty, and now you can just take it off. Don't cook it too much, otherwise you will burn it. I warn you, you will burn it. Okay? So please, just until it turns a succulent brown. Okay? A little bit too light of a brown, you'll catch what is called a gout, and you don't want that. Okay? Yeah.
So right now I'm taking my salads that I'm gonna put into my burgers. My salad, my lettuce. Oops. See? They're so cute. I wanna wash them. And then, what am I gonna do again? Oh yeah, I put my burger to toast a little bit. So you see it toasted a little bit.
So what I need to do right now, guys, okay, is there's a couple of things that I'm gonna fry that Sasha didn't think of. You know, that I'm gonna be frying. I'm gonna be frying shoulder bacon.
I'm gonna obviously fry the bacon. You can't buy 2 separate bacons.
And I'm gonna be putting fish fingers into my burger. Now that's something Sasha didn't expect. She was like, what? Fish fingers in a burger? Something fish is going on. But she doesn't know it's even fish fingers, but simply chicken. Chicken fingers, darling. And then?
I don't know why you would mix meat and fish together.
I also need to fry my mushrooms. Sasha didn't buy any mushrooms. I put some sliced mushroom, as you can see right here. And what else did I buy?
I buy.
Let me do that again. Sliced mushrooms. And what else did I bought?
What else did I buy? What else did I bought?
something else that I bought. Some spur mushroom sauce, guys. It gives you that succulent, enjoyable flavor in your mushrooms, guys.
Do you know what's gonna make you win? In the comment section is the way you are explaining everything.
Because I'm a real chef. I'm a real
it.
chef.
You're not here to taste it.
Okay, are you
Okay,
ready?
I'm just putting a little bit of butter.
Butter, baby.
Yeah.
Baby, see, that's where you wash it.
I know exactly what I'm doing. I know exactly what I'm doing. Did you see how you left this pan? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Now I have to get rid of it.
No,
that's not how I
use
want to fry mine.
Okay, let me use it here.
No, because when am I going to stop?
Okay, do it here. Of course, yeah.
Use the pot.
Let me use the pot.
Yeah, let me give you a pot.
Okay, now I don't want to. Okay, now I don't want to know anything else. All I want to know is where are the pots. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is take a pot. In the pot, put a bit of oil. Put a bit of oil, right? Put in my mushrooms. Slice some onions into small little pieces. Put the onions and put some salt. Season that mixture together. Turn it around and round and round in the pot, and then add some mushroom sauce into that mix. And I also put some cayenne chilies over here for that tangy little taste of that hotness.
I just want to say that I'm washing that pan that you were using now, which is really...
Babe, this is a cooking show. Cooking shows, they don't wash pans. They have many pans in there.
Your taste on your pan will destroy my patty, so it's cheating. Okay, so what I've done is I've put my olive oil and butter and my garlic. So I'm just letting it fry now. And then after it's fried, I think I'm going to remove this garlic because I just wanted the taste of the garlic. So then, Budi, are you not going to come and fry your mushrooms?
Don't worry about me, sweetheart. Don't worry about me, okay? Don't worry about me, sweetheart.
Cuida da sua vida, mal comida, mal amada. Cuida da sua vida, mal comida, mal amada. Tô foguetando mesmo, fale quem quiser falar. Atire a primeira pedra, aquela que nunca quis dar.
As you can guys see right now, my onions are a bit of brown. I added also some bit of chili pepper, chili sinyana, just to get that flavor out there. And also my mushrooms are in here too. You can see them, they're mixing to a soft, succulent brown, all into this wonderful flavor that will make a wonderful burger.
So this is my bacon. It's a bit like brown. I don't want it to be hard. I'm gonna remove it right now. I don't want it to stay. I want it a little bit raw. I don't know.
A little bit raw?
Like not raw, but you don't need it to stay there forever because then it's gonna
so
be
you
hard.
want it to be medium?
Yeah, medium.
Yeah.
Right now I'm just cutting my tomatoes and then I'm gonna create my burger. Just so that Josh can finish with his mushrooms. So right now I've put the patty, the cheese, the bacon. Now I wanna kind of put some flavor on my salad. So I'm gonna put 1,000 Islands and peri mayonnaise. What is it? Perinase, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so because of Sasha's fault, my mistake, I burnt my patties, but no problem. That's what happens in a chef's kitchen. So we made provisional to make sure we have another bun here. But Sasha, please don't do that again.
Can I just add that my burger, are you showing the burnt burger? Please show them. Okay, first of all, can I teach you? You don't need to close it. You don't need to. Just let it do this. I'm helping. That's a point for me. Anyways.
What's your point?
My burger is already done. It's cute. There's no mushroom sauce. I trust my burger to be a good burger. So now, what I'm gonna do is watch you. and see what you're doing.
Okay guys, so I'm almost done with my burger, and as you can see, it looks amazingly impressive, guys. I think one of the tricks and one of the special tricks of my trade in reality is that I've added so much that I can put so much flavor here. So I'm just gonna add a bit of sauces, Thousand Islands, Perinese, also some burger relish sauce. I'm gonna add that a bit later. Let me just add some tomato sauce over here. Okay guys, we're finally done with our burgers. Here are the burgers. Sasha made 2, I made 1. I made a jumbo double burger, slime attack, surprise, special wild room attack. Shout out Dr. Musa.
Is that still in the name of the fair?
Yeah.
Yo, bro.
Petit bitches up, petit zinches up, peto lavi babi, vele bafuna ingane zami, petit zinches zami, petit bitches up.
I'm in the east and I'm coasting, morning side for the vibe. Full tank in the hoopty, paid in full on my swipe. Bought a banky and rolling, thanking God for my high. No peace, ever meets, les Ingane fly. I'm talking girls like Tina, the ones with hair from Brazil. I'm a girls on the hills in pinches, I'm on trail.
What's the name of your burger?
My burger is just a simple burger.
It's just, Sasha is just a simple burger. Simple garlic burger. My burger, like I said, it is double, super fantastic, amazing, delicious burger, wild room burger. Shout out to Dr. Musa Mtimbeni. That's his surname, right? Mtombeni. Shout out to Dr. Musa Burger, special, tasty, delicious burger with mushrooms on the side. Of course, yes. That's the name of the burger. If you're in the restaurant and you want it.
What is it?
It's the super fantastic, delicious burger, wild room burger. Shout out to Dr. Musa Burger with the extra mushrooms on the side. Of course, yes, burger.
Okay.
If you found it.
And I'm sure somebody is going to write the full thing down. Yeah.
But yeah, babe, do you have a scarf or something? Judge, can you please come through? Judge, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We need a scarf, babe.
I think it's pretty obvious that Dali's gonna know which burger is which.
That doesn't matter, it's about the taste, you said it.
Yes, it's about taste, but
okay.
I think it's not necessary for him to put a blindfold because my burger doesn't have the mushrooms or the fish fingers.
Oh yeah, so
it's not, yeah.
Okay, Dali, can you please judge on the presentation, my brother?
Okay. I think.
Yeah. Yeah.
Looks like a quarter, this one.
Judge on the presentation. Okay, as you can see, mine is a double burger, stacked up, looks delicious.
I could have done the exact same thing, but I gave you 2 so that we could both taste it.
Okay, I think for this round, the first round, simplicity will take it because
it's simply nice delicious.
It's nice and small. Sasha is taking this one because it's nice and small, doesn't look too complicated. You can see all the ingredients, you know. So Sasha wins this one.
Okay, whatever. But we're about to move on to the taste right now. What matters the most, you know, because as human beings, we don't eat with our eyes, we eat with our mouths.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so that is about to taste the burgers. I'm just gonna cut mine in half because I want to taste it too. Because I'm already impressed with what I've made. Sasha, your burger looks good. I won't even lie, Sasha. You know, I won't even lie. You made it look great and beautiful and sexy. You know, but I think as I am so wild and look biggish and sluggish and ugly on the outside, you know, but inside is what matters. You know, just like me. You know, a lot of people see me, wow, that guy is ugly. Until they get to know me.
You're really like selling your burger with
I'm not selling it.
personality and your physical appearance.
I'm just saying, the burger, what's inside, just like me, is what counts.
I said this is how people win. If you watch Chopped, this is exactly
No. This is not about, this is sushi with wasabi.
You should have not added that. That bio was not necessary.
So Ngozi, I want you to take this one on this side.
And have a taste.
Yeah. Have a taste.
I think you should taste this side so you can get everything. See?
Yeah.
You are the right judge. That bite.
Yeah? 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 Trust it. Trust me. That was the super fantastical, amazing burger. Shout out to Wild Room Burger.
You don't even know the name of mine. Is just a garlic burger.
Simple burger. You didn't even know yours. Yours is the simple garlic burger.
Yeah.
Mine is the
simple garlic.
super fantastic, amazing tasting Wild Room Burger. Shout out Dr. Musa. Amazing. Yebo, yes.
Oh yes.
Changes. Sometimes if you don't have a fish finger, it's just a yes burger. But yeah, Tali, what's your verdict on that one?
Does it taste like a kota? Because it looks like it.
It's a good it's a good burger, right? Has so much flavors to it, right?
Yeah.
The mushroom.
Why are you pushing? No, that's cheating.
No, I could taste every flavor. I could taste every meat in it.
Yes, they all meet together, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's taste this.
Sasha, yeah.
No, you gotta stand up for the bites.
Okay, yeah, definitely.
I'm gonna bite like that.
This is how you eat a burger, baby.
Okay.
Yeah. So what do you like about that burger?
This burger,
Yeah.
nice and simple, like I said.
Yeah.
You can taste. Unlike this one,
Yeah.
I like it because you can taste all the veggies. I could taste the lettuce. I could taste the tomatoes.
Yeah.
And did you add bacon to this?
Yes, it has bacon.
Okay. And yeah, I could taste the garlic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is the garlic.
Yeah. Which is something dope.
Yeah.
And I like it.
Yeah. So, but at the end of the day, the competition is called Burger Mina Ngedwa because you have to choose one. So, by verdict of the judge, Daddy Danger, he's going to choose who won and made the better burger.
I feel like
No, don't add excuses.
I'm not adding excuses.
Daddy Danger, who made the better burger?
Is there a criteria? Or
No. Overall, who made the better burger?
I feel like criteria.
No.
makes the whole lot of sense.
No. You're making that soft. It's a game of the fittest survival of the fittest. If you're gonna add criteria, abantu bazokhala, and that's exactly why it's called criteria. So let's definitely choose the best burger. In 3, I'm gonna say when I count down to 0, you're gonna put down, you're gonna pick up your left or your right hand, okay? This is right hand, this is left hand. I'm gonna count down from 3. In 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes!
I'm sorry, Sasha.
I had a feeling. You know when this game started, I knew I was gonna. You know when they said, let me tell you, when they said
Let me tell you something.
appearance, I was like, and they chose me. I'm like, I'm definitely gonna lose because normally in games you have to win something. So that is your friend. So he made sure that I win the appearance. It's fine.
So, you won the appearance, but it appears that I won overall.
I'm a sore loser, Shem.
Nah,
I'm hurt. In my heart is broken. Very broken.
Sorry, Sasha. Because of the meat. You should taste this, actually.
I don't want to taste your burger. I feel like it's a cheat in this burger here.
It's a bit chilly, it's a bit not chilly. It's a bit meaty, like scrumptious. Muy bien. This is amazing, Sasha. Wow.
It's okay, guys.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching.
I'm a sore loser. I'm just gonna stand here. I won't even taste my burger. But I know it's good.
This is what happens when you go up against Chef George.
There
guys.
is no chef here.
Hire me.
Cheats.
But I feel like he definitely cheated. He
Yeah.
applied quota rules to a burger.
It's my years of experience in the business, guys. You know, I'm quarter to making it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching Cooking Sushi with Wasabi, Burger Mina Ngedwa Challenge. My name has been OK Wasabi from Fusula Sports in fact, the hoodest niggas that are the clouds are too close to the grass, we all to the sky, and I wasn't alone. I was actually with the most beautiful women in the world.
The loser.
Yeah. And we weren't alone. We were actually with
Daddy Danger, the most dangerous man in the world. He was dating when I was teeny.
And once more, if you guys need any of my details for cooking, for catering, if any of you guys are getting married this December, please call me and I will come cook for your wedding,
I can't even
for
fight
your
because
graduation.
there's no one that was here to make me win. Dali made me lose.
Thank you so much, guys. And I know the viewers that are watching this right now chose me too. And I appreciate your loyalty. My name is Chef George. See you again on another episode of Cooking Sushi with Wasabi. Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas.
Look at my face.
Perfect.
Let's just do it.
It's fire, right?
I want to taste my burger.
Must do bloop.
Shame my burger's cold.
Cheers.
That is not helping me. Nothing. That is not helping me. We're just shopping for the ingredients, and he knows what I like before I even say it. Okay?
It's not our fault we have the same taste.
So I'm gonna win this. You are just afraid that you're gonna lose. Hey, Dali, I win automatically. There's a stairs. This is spring burger, baby. I win automatically, most. Me guys, I don't understand what's the difference. It's just cheese, most. At the end of the day.
It's not just cheese.
Yeah, this is what I want. No.